Hi guys, I'm going to be showing how to animate characters. So here in Gacha, if you go into Studio, and you see at the bottom bar, there is your character's icon. You click on Pose. At the top, there's Normal and Animated. If you click on Animated, there are a lot of poses, but they're just animated or moving. Also, I'm outside, so you hear noise. So now you go flip through, and you find the pose that you want. I'm using a walking pose. So now you screen record that for a bit so that you can use it for your clip. Okay, so here I am in my photos, and I go through and I look for my screen recording that I took. I took this earlier, so that's why it's in my photos now. So that's the screen recording of my character just walking. Okay, you'll have that in your photos. Now, this is why I said that you might want an internet browser, because here you want to look for a background photo in case you don't already have one and you don't want to use one in Gacha, or one that you want to use is in the internet. So here we go. I'm going to choose an anime background because they have nice backgrounds, and go into images. Here, let's scroll through. You know what? I like this one. So I'm going to hold down and add to photos. Okay, and now it's in my photos. And you see now it's here. Okay, now go into Kinemaster. And here in Kinemaster, we're going to click New One. And click the aspect ratio 16:9. That's basically a landscape. Okay, now you're in a new project. You want to click on media up here. Okay, it brings up this. Click on photo, and then you click on all in these albums. Now click on the background photo that you chose for your animated character. Okay, now go to the beginning. When you're at the beginning, click this layer button. Okay, these options pop up. Go to media. Now go to video. It automatically brings you to video. Click all. Now click on your walking character or moving character, and you can see you can resize it, whatever, turn it around a little. Okay, now you go here, and if the screen recording still has Gacha music in the background and you don't want that, then you can click here on Mixer on the top corner and scroll down on this little side scrolling thing that I'm scrolling right now. Scroll down to 0. This will take the noise away. Will lower the volume. Okay, now you can lengthen this to fit the length of your character moving or whatever. And now you have this ready. But now you see there's still the black little parts on the edges that you have, and also it's going to be like with the green in the background. So you want to make sure you can fix that. Oh, and I forgot to mention this earlier. You want a green screen background, that background that I have now, and you want the character to be in the middle. That will make it easier. Now here in these options, you want to click on cropping. Okay, now you can crop the photo, or the video, sorry. And when you crop that to what you want it to be, there you go. Sorry, it's really windy outside right now, but I don't have a better, quieter place. And here you go. Now it's cropped. Now you click on that and clip again. And now you see, you scroll a little down, and there you see chroma key. You click on chroma key, and press enable. When you enable that, you see the green in the background goes away. This is a green screen effect, and that's how it works. Now you can move your character. So you move it off to the side. Okay. And now you click the check mark. Wait, don't click the check mark. Sorry. Now you click that key there on the side when you have the clip. Now go all the way to the end of the clip and press the circle with the plus. And now move your character slowly along the thing. And then you press check mark. And there you go. And now you see it's animated. You can add music in the background if you really want, but you don't have to. But that's just how you animate your characters. You don't have to make them moving along. You can make them staying still, but just moving. Well, hi guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope my voice isn't too annoying. Also, you should subscribe to my friend. I'll put her name in the description below. And bye. Love you.